Hey, we're back with another theming tutorial. This time, we're going to be theming the xfce desktop environment to look like Windows XP Luna. We're going to be using this project by Rosniak on GitHub. It's a bit less complete than the previous theme we looked at, but it's still pretty good. For today's video, we're using Linux Mint XFCE edition. Let's get started. First, let's download the repo as a zip, then extract it. I got an error, so I'll extract it from the terminal just to be safe. First things first, let's make sure our system is fully up to date. Now let's install the necessary packages to compile this. There is a script included, which we can run to verify that we have everything needed. Let's run it. These should be exact package names that I can directly install using apt. Okay, let's check our dependencies with the script again. Finally, we have everything we need. Let's run that build script now. Looks like it built successfully. We should find the output in this directory. Let's navigate here in the terminal and install all the packages in one go. Okay, let's start applying the customizations. This project has a couple of replacement programs, such as WinTC taskbar. WinTC Desktop, Notepad, WinVir, and Explorer, but it's quite the work in progress. I'm going to make a script to kill xfce's panel, then run WinTC taskbar. I'll set it to run on startup. Now that I've set a desktop background, the last thing is to add some desktop icons. I opened Windows XP to acquire shell32.dll and get the recycle bin icon from it. With that, we're pretty much done. I like how it looks a lot, as I grew up with Windows XP. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Leave a comment for any future tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.